This week, we're going to cover filtering, searching, and sorting. So you are going to want to read through the chapter in the textbook and then take a look at the key concepts. And before we actually get into the filtering, searching, and sorting, we are going to review array processing and objects because the techniques that we use for filtering, searching, and sorting utilize either arrays or objects. So reviewing those are helpful in understanding how the techniques that we're going to be looking at today work. The videos that I have at the top go with the content in this page. So there's a section on JavaScript array processing and the various videos. And there is a section on jQuery methods and array processing and the videos that go with that. And then a section on objects. Once we cover all of that, then we actually get into the filtering, searching, and sorting. And so there are videos on filtering and searching. There's a video that shows you how to combine those two features, which is kind of cool. And there's one on sorting. So as you go through, you basically have the option of watching the videos while you read through the content, or simply watching the videos because they are going to explain all of the code to you. I do encourage you to go through this content though, because there are links to interactive sites where you can actually practice. And it's really important that you pay attention to the JavaScript array methods because there will be some of those on your certification exam. And you'll notice not only are there links to the interactive site, but I have some interactive examples in here as well. And then once you get through with the array and object section, which is fairly far down here, then we actually get into information that is new. So we get into sorting methods and then how jQuery does things. And then finally, at the very, very bottom, we get into our new code for filtering. And then there are some examples. This one is from the textbook, but this is basically an example of filtering. And again, all of the code is explained in those videos that are at the top. So this filtering section, if you go to the very top, there is a video on filtering, and it will walk through all of this code. Here is searching. And again, this is the textbook authors. And then here's mine where I actually combined the filter and the search. And there's a video that explains this as well. And then we finally get into sorting with examples. So there is quite a bit to go through this week, but it's all pretty important concepts and information that you do really need to know, especially since the certification exam is our final exam. So once you get done working through all of that information, you are going to go into the lab assignment. And the lab assignment involves creating your own either filter or search page. And if you decide to do both, I will give you 10 points extra credit. Okay, so you can do one, the other, or both. And then you will do a sorting page. And again, these are the videos that are from the key points, those notes. But you can pretty much pick whatever content you want for this. And here is the little bonus, 10 points extra credit for doing the filtering and search. Also, this week, you are going to commit the milestone 2 to the GitHub repo. So you should already have milestone 1 up there, and now you're going to put milestone 2. If you have a little free time, you may want to start working on milestone 3, which is basically completing that second game and starting work on that third game. By the end of milestone 3, all 3 games should be fully functional. If you have any questions about the assignments for this week, or if you run into problems, let me know and have an awesome week.